Motherfucker saying no. Jeez. Okay. Don't you gotta pull it out first?
You can give me 500, you can have it.
Got these be sending out Rizzies.
We ain't got no time.
Y'all gonna do this one up or y'all just putting some little shit into it?
Right now, we just getting it back up and rolling.
Got no damn license.
Shit, I still gotta put the symbols back on and shit.
Say your name.
Let's go, we outside, baby. Back to it. Appreciate it.
More? How much this?
50 cents.
25 cents?
Yeah.
25 cents?
250.
God!
Damn.
That boy trying to take niggas' heads off in this motherfucker. He couldn't hit me with the 150? With the 150? Damn!
That motherfucker said, I'll put it back.
He lucky he had my card or I'd have been took it back. That boy, huh?
It's okay, don't worry.
Your man tried to smoke my head off,
I
man.
give you a discount next time.
Alright, man.
Next time I give you a discount.
I'm gonna call and I'm gonna make sure you hear.
Okay. Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, be safe.
You as well. You too. Come on, man. Why you not outside?
Why you outside?
I'm always outside. You need some right here?
After you know you done?
Outside, we ain't hard to find.
Right. You might catch us in your hood. You hear me?
Yeah, this is the hood.
Yo hood.
Yo hood, nigga.
Oh yeah, you is you.
My little brother was like, oh, that's the dude that vlog. That's the dude we watching. We watching this shit.
Yes, sir. Damn, my boy got the pink thing out. Oh, these motherfucker stupid.
Don't get another one.
Nah. Nah. Hell nah. Motherfucker ain't open.
I'm gonna get that one.
Let me give you one. Motherfucker sweet as a bitch. I forgot who got me hip to these bitches. These motherfuckers soft as hell.
Stick to your top of your mouth.
Ew. Nigga is, hold on, pause.
What? Nigga, the candy?
That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Huh?
Dropped it, and
I'm finna pick that one up. You keep playing around. I need to take this bitch off.
What?
This fucking bar, man.
Tired of it?
Shit don't do nothing different than the stock one did.
Yeah, that's why I would have left the stock. I use the stock until I can't use the stock no more.
I'm gonna probably order another. When mine's done. This one's steel though. You got a subframe. I don't got a subframe.
Nah, yeah. But you don't be smacking your shit, so you good. That's for niggas who be.
Yeah, but it's that all it takes that one time. I done got caught by this bitch a few times. It just ain't never been like, ooh, let me put down right quick.
I used to smack the living shit, smack it and ride that motherfucker.
We need one of these right here. Oil.
Those bottles?
Yeah. Baby bottles. We need one of these right here.
Yeah. You need to ask what they cost.
I'm just gonna put it on Ronnie tab.
Huh?
I'm put it on Ronnie tab. Yeah. Why we not in them? Who's that?
That ain't cool.
Damn, they pulling up fast as shit.
Hey, do you know them? They look like they chase.
Huh? It's just the axle size. If I got an extended axle or if I get 10-inch rears, which I plan on doing, it wouldn't do that.
Let's go. I'm starting to get hot in this fucking thing.
Hold
You
on.
need gas or no?
Hell yeah, I need gas, but I probably ain't gonna get none. I'm gonna have a tank. I'm gonna just get some at the crib. I got gas at the crib.